Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yesterday, all of you had revised the previous topics.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say about the classification of sources of energy? What is the basis of classification of sources of energy?
Yes, ma'am. Occurrence, physical state and availability. Physical state and availability.
Yes, three bases.
Occurrence, physical state and availability.
Yes, correct. Occurrence, physical state and availability. On the basis of availability, how many types of sources of energy are there?
Renewable source of energy, non-renewable source of energy, and synthetic source.
Yes, renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. And on the basis of occurrence, how many types of sources of energy are there?
Natural resources and synthetic resources. Natural resources, synthetic resources.
Give example of synthetic resources.
Chemical energy. It is a type of chemical energy.
Yes. What are fossil fuels?
Fuels that form when the remains of dead plants are buried. Fuels are buried under the surface of earth over a period of years. High pressure from the remains of dead plants and from the earth plus fuels for the millions of years. Form from the dead.
Okay, correct answer. Now listen.
Under the surface of the earth for a period of
Listen,
years.
children. All of you will not reply together, one by one, and your video should be on. All of you turn on your video. Now,
A fossil fuel is fuel formed by natural processes such as anaerobic decomposition of buried dead organisms containing organic.
okay. What are
Millions
the
of dead
next?
plants and animals when they are buried under the surface of the earth due to the high heat from the earth crust and high pressure from the rocks and soil. This over the millions of years, this action is repeated and hence form the fossils.
Good, correct answer. Now next child will reply. Okay. Next question is. Yes, Rishabh Raj will give the answer. He has raised his hand. So, Rishabh Raj, formation of coal depends upon which factor? Or you can say there are different varieties of coal. This variety of coal depends upon which factor?
Question repeat.
Various types of coals are formed. It depends upon which factor?
The amount of carbon present under them. No, ma'am.
No, it is not correct answer.
Temperature and force pressing on the coal, and how much time it is buried under the surface of the earth.
Very good. This is the correct answer. It depends upon two things. How much temperature and pressure is applied to the wood, and for how many years, or what is the time period for which the remains of dead plants or animals were buried under the surface of the earth. The time period and temperature and pressure determines the variety of the coal. Name the different varieties of coal.
Lignite, bituminous, coal, and graphite.
Turn on your video. Listen. Correct answer.
Bituminous,
Yes, correct answer. Now next question is, what are the products obtained by destructive distillation of coal? Firstly, say what yes, say. Ayush Ratan, give the chance to other child. Ayush Ratan, give the chance to other child. Name the products obtained by destructive distillation of coal. Name the products obtained by destructive distillation of coal.
coal gas.
Yes. Coke, coal tar and coal gas. Okay, very good. Now, can you say the use of... Can you say the use of coke? Sattvic. Turn on your video.
Domestic as well as industrial fuels. It is used for domestic use and industrial purposes. It is used for extraction of metals. For industrial fuels, this can be used to make fuel gases also, like water gas and cooking gas.
Yes, okay. Oh, now I came to know that you complete your homework also. Very good, children. Today we will start new topic, that is petroleum. Yesterday I had started but time was over, so I would like to repeat it again. Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Petroleum is also known as crude oil, or it is also known as petroleum, crude oil or rock oil. Three names are there for petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Petroleum is also called crude oil or rock oil. Why it is called rock oil? Because it is derived from the Latin word petra and oleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil. So it is also called rock oil. Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Why it is a fossil fuel? Because it is formed by the remains of microscopic dead marine organisms. Okay, when the microscopic marine organisms die, they are buried under the surface of the earth, and over millions of years, due to high pressure and temperature, they convert into petroleum. So it is also called fossil fuel. Okay, like coal, this petroleum is also a fossil fuel. Now about the occurrence of petroleum, you can see that petroleum is found at moderate depth. Moderate, you understand, children? It is not very superficially or not very deep. Moderate means बीच के डेप्थ पर ये होता है. It is from 500 to 2000 meter depth. And this petroleum is found in the oil well. ठीक है? And it is mixed with salt water. But petroleum is lighter than salt water, so it floats on the salt water. And it is trapped between the impervious rocks. You can see the diagram. All of you are able to see the diagram? You see, I am drawing.
Yes.
This is Earth's surface and this is Earth's crust. Now you will see that impervious rocks are there. Just you can see, children. It is the diagram of occurrence of petroleum. Occurrence of petroleum. पेट्रोलियम कहाँ पाया जाता है? ठीक है, पेट्रोलियम impervious rocks के बीच में पाया जाता है. It is found between the impervious rocks and this petroleum is mixed with sea water. Sea water में mix होता है, but it is lighter than sea water, so it floats on the surface of sea water. Sea water से हल्का होता है, इसलिए sea water के ऊपर ये float करता है. ठीक है, ये देख रहे हैं, sea water के ऊपर float कर रहा है. सी वाटर के ऊपर फ्लोट कर रहा है. ये रॉक्स है और इस रॉक के बीच में ये इम्परवियस रॉक के बीच में, दोनों रॉक के बीच में यहाँ पेट्रोलियम है. ठीक है, एंड जस्ट अबव पेट्रोलियम देयर इज नेचुरल गैस. दिस इज द अकरेंस ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. दिस इज अर्थ क्रस्ट and it is found deep under the surface of the earth where between the impervious rocks and petroleum is mixed with saline water. Saline means salty water, but it is lighter than this saline water or sea water, so it floats on the saline water, and natural gas is above petroleum. So this is the occurrence of petroleum. Petroleum is found at moderate depth between 500 meter to 2000 meter. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये very important. All of you will practice the diagram. It will be asked. Write about the occurrence of petroleum. Petroleum कहाँ पाया जाता है? What is petroleum? Petroleum is a dark colored, foul smelling, viscous liquid. It is commonly known as crude oil, also known as rock oil, because it is derived from Latin word petra and oleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil. About the occurrence, you know, children, petroleum is found between
Ma'am, a liquid mixture of hydrocarbons which is
I will explain.
flavor of.
Okay, I will explain. See, it is found between the impervious rocks and mixed with petroleum is mixed with saline water, but it is lighter than saline water, so it floats on the saline water, and natural gas is found above the petroleum. Petroleum is found at moderate depth from 500 meter to 2000 meter. This is about the occurrence of petroleum, and how it is formed I have already discussed. It is a fossil fuel. It is formed when the microscopic marine organisms, they are buried under the seabed. Then over millions of years, due to high pressure and temperature, they convert into petroleum. Now the next topic is drilling of oil wells.
Ma'am, how diesel and kerosene get found?
Repeat your question.
Ma'am, then how diesel and kerosene got found?
That I will discuss. I am coming to that point. Firstly, let me discuss about the drilling of oil well. Okay?
मैम प्लीज एक्सप्लेन हाउ मैम पेट्रोलियम कैसे बनता है, एक बार फिर से बताएं.
जब सी के माइक्रोस्कोपिक मतलब जो बहुत छोटे छोटे ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं जो आँख से नहीं दिखते हैं, ऐसे मैरीन ऑर्गेनिज्म जब मरते हैं और वो सी बेड के नीचे जाते हैं तो वहाँ पर हाई प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर के वजह से वो मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स में पेट्रोलियम में कन्वर्ट होते हैं. जैसे आपने कोल पढ़ा था कि वो जब प्लांट्स डिकम्पोज नहीं होके वो अर्थ के सरफेस के नीचे बरीड हो जाते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर होने की वजह से मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स के बाद ये वुड कोल में चेंज हो जाते हैं. वहाँ पर प्लांट से कोल बना था और यहाँ सी एनिमल से बन रहा है पेट्रोलियम. हाउ पेट्रोलियम इज फॉर्म, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
And petroleum is found in the oil well. Okay, it is found along with natural gas. Now how do we get petroleum? By the drilling of oil well. ड्रिलिंग होता है, ठीक है, पाइप घुसाया जाता है, छेद किया जाता है. पहले तो पर्सपेक्टिव साइट ऑफ पेट्रोलियम इज़ लोकेटेड. कहाँ पे पेट्रोलियम है वो साइट पहले लोकेट किया जाता है और उसके बाद जो है मैप किया जाता है. एंड देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ जेंट रिग, ये मशीन आपको दिखाया गया है, इसी रिग से जो है वो होल किया जाता है. होल इज़ ड्रिल्ड इन द अर्थ्स क्रस्ट. अर्थ के क्रस्ट में होल किया जाता है और जब होल वो रॉक के कैप पर पहुंचता है, जहां पर रॉक है वहां पहुंच जाता है. तो आपने पढ़ा है कि पेट्रोलियम रॉक के बीच में होता है. तो जब रॉक के कैप तक पहुंचता है तो वो फिर नेचुरल गैस जो पेट्रोलियम के ऊपर होता है वो हाई प्रेशर के साथ बाहर आता है और फिर उसके बाद पेट्रोलियम भी बाहर आने लगता है. तो इस तरह से ड्रिलिंग ऑफ ऑयल वेल इज़ डन. Firstly, perspective site of oil well is located and mapped, and then drilling is done in the earth's crust with the help of giant rig. When the hole reaches the cap of the rock, that is called rock cap, then the natural gas firstly comes out with high pressure. And after that petroleum also comes out. You have seen natural gas is above petroleum. Firstly natural gas comes and then petroleum comes. यहाँ ड्रिलिंग होता है, ये अर्थ क्रस्ट में छेद किया जाता है तो यहाँ तक आ जाता है रिग, ये कैप ऑफ रॉक कहलाता है, ठीक है. और यहाँ आने के बाद जब नेचुरल गैस बाहर आता है उसके बाद पेट्रोलियम भी बाहर आता है. इस तरह से ऑयल वेल जो है उसी में पेट्रोलियम और नेचुरल गैस पाए जाते हैं. ओके, नाउ रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. पेट्रोलियम इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ डिफरेंट हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. मैनी कंपाउंड्स आर देयर इन द पेट्रोलियम. हाइड्रोकार्बन मीन्स कंपाउंड ऑफ कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन. ओके, पेट्रोलियम इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ compounds. Which type of compound are there? It is a mixture of various compounds. These compounds are hydrocarbons. You can say petroleum is a mixture of hydrocarbons that need to be separated for useful purpose. These compounds are very useful. So refining of petroleum is required to separate the various compounds of the petroleum which are useful for us. पेट्रोलियम मिक्सचर होता है बहुत सारे कंपाउंड का, ठीक है, ये हाइड्रोकार्बन्स होते हैं कंपाउंड, और ये हमारे लिए काफ़ी यूजफुल होते हैं, इसलिए इनको अलग अलग किया जाता है ताकि सारे कंपाउंड को हम लोग यूज कर सकें। इसी प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम। पेट्रोलियम के सारे कंपाउंड को अलग करके उसको यूज करते हैं हम लोग, तो ये अलग करने का प्रोसेस क्या कहलाता है? रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम। Once again, what is refining of petroleum? Petroleum is a mixture of compounds. These compounds are hydrocarbons, and these compounds are useful for us. So, there is a process to separate the compounds of petroleum so that we can use them. Okay? The process of separating the compounds of petroleum to get the useful compounds is called refining of petroleum. पेट्रोलियम में बहुत सारे हाइड्रोकार्बन होते हैं, कंपाउंड होते हैं, और इनको हम लोग अलग करके यूज करते हैं क्योंकि सारे कंपाउंड हमारे लिए यूजफुल हैं, और इसी प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम। So somebody had asked me, from where do we get petrol and kerosene? After refining of petroleum, we get many products, and these products are very useful. So we get petrol, diesel, kerosene, residual oil, all these products by the refining of petroleum. Again, this question is very important. What is refining of petroleum? Name the products of petroleum and what are their usage. Many products are there, and the use of any product may be asked in the exam, and question is definite. This question is going to be asked definitely. Am I clear? All of you take in your book.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have seen petroleum is a mixture of various compounds which are useful for us. The process of separating various compounds to use them is called refining of petroleum. Now you should know the name of different products and their usage. Like first product is residual oil. Further, it is divided into three types: asphalt, paraffin wax, and next is lubricating oil. Asphalt is a solid black colored sticky thing, and it is used for making road. All of you must have seen black colored sticky thing that is used to make the road, that is asphalt. And it is also used to paint the underside of the electric pole to prevent them from rusting. इलेक्ट्रिक पोल के अंदर इसका कोटिंग किया जाता है asphalt का, ताकि उसमें रस्टिंग नहीं हो, जंग नहीं लगे. तो you have seen residual oil we get by the refining of petroleum, and it is further divided into three types. First is asphalt, second is paraffin wax, and next one is lubricating oil. ठीक है, तो ये आप देख रहे हैं रेसिडुअल ऑयल में 3 टाइप है, और इसको आप लर्न कीजिएगा. फर्स्ट का यूज आप देखें, व्हाट इज़ द यूज ऑफ asphalt. Asphalt is a black colored sticky thing that is used to make the road. It is also used for coating of underside of the electric pole to prevent them from rusting. 2 यूज आपने देखा, एक यूज रोड बनाने में और दूसरा इलेक्ट्रिक पोल के अंदर में इसका कोटिंग किया जाता है ताकि उसमें जंग नहीं लगे. नेक्स्ट इज पैराफिन वैक्स दैट इज यूज टू मेक ग्रीज, कैंडल, और you can see Vaseline, ointment, etc. So you have to learn name and use also. Paraffin wax is a semi-solid white colored thing.
Ma'am, what is Vaseline?
Vaseline that we apply in our face during winter season. You must have applied.
Ma'am, paraffin is also used for storing some metals also.
No.
Reactive metals.
Yes. You are correct. You have seen kerosene or paraffin wax is used to store the sodium because it is highly reactive. Yes, you are correct.
Potassium.
Okay. But here you are reading three uses. That is, it is used to make Vaseline, ointment, candle. Okay. Ointment means, can you say what is the meaning of ointment?
Medicine.
Medicine कैसा?
That can be applied over skin.
Yes, मलहम जिसको कहते हैं हम लोग, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Skin cream.
हाँ, it is applied in the skin. Correct answer. It is मलहम. महलम भी लोग बोलते हैं, मलहम भी को बोलते हैं. So it is ointment. ठीक है. तो paraffin wax is used to make candle. It is used to make grease, or you can say ointment, Vaseline. All these are the uses of paraffin wax. Next is lubricating oil. All of you have read in chapter friction. Oil is used to reduce friction, and it is used in machine, different parts of the machine, because they wear and tear due to friction. So to reduce friction, lubricating oil is applied in parts of the machine. So you can say lubricating oil is used in the machine. First product you have seen, residual oil, divided into three types. First is asphalt, second is what? Paraffin wax, and third is lubricating oil. Lubricating oil. Okay, uses have you understood? Asphalt is used to make road and also used to coat the underside of the electric pole to prevent it from rusting. And paraffin wax is used to make Vaseline, candle, or ointment, yes, grease, etc. Next, lubricating oil is used in the machines to reduce the friction or to prevent the wearing and tearing of the parts of the machine and to increase the efficiency of the machine. Residual oil is clear to you, children? एस्फाल्ट का यूज रोड बनाने में होता है और इलेक्ट्रिक पोल को कोटिंग अंदर में किया जाता है ताकि जंग नहीं लगे. चलिए अब थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट वी गेट बाय रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम इज फ्यूल ऑयल. इट इज यूज्ड एज अ फ्यूल इन बॉयलर. कैन यू से व्हाट इज बॉयलर? It is your homework. What is boiler? It is used as a fuel in boiler. That is fuel oil. Next is diesel. Diesel is used in heavy machines, generator, or you can say bus, tractor, etc.
Fluid is heated. The fluid does not necessarily boil. The heated or vaporized fluid is the boiler for us.
Okay, tomorrow again you will reply. Today I have given you homework. Okay. Next, so you have seen.
Mami, he has given the answer from Google.
Next is fuel oil that is used as a fuel in boiler. And after that, diesel oil. Diesel, all of you must be knowing. Diesel is used in heavy machines. It is used to run bus, truck, etc. Okay. And then you will see the next product is petrol. Petrol is also known as gasoline. Petrol is used in light vehicles like scooter, car, etc. And petrol is also used in dry cleaners ड्राई क्लीनर्स में भी पेट्रोल यूज होता है ड्राई क्लीन के लिए. मैनी क्लोथ्स आर देयर, दे रिक्वायर टू बी ड्राई क्लीन्ड, एंड फॉर ड्राई क्लीनिंग पेट्रोल इज यूज्ड इन लॉन्ड्री. ठीक है, लॉन्ड्री में पेट्रोल यूज होता है ड्राई वॉश के लिए. फॉर ड्राई क्लीनिंग व्हाट?
मैम मीनिंग ऑफ लैंटर्न्स.
लालटेन. लालटेन छाप आप देखे थे ना, लालू यादव का सिंबल. लालटेन को लैंटर्न बोलते हैं. ठीक है, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
यस मैम.
तो अभी आपने देखा यूजेज ऑफ डीजल. नेक्स्ट you are seeing use of petrol. Now in petrol three uses are there that you should keep in mind. First use, all of you know very well, that is common use. It is used in light vehicles like to run car, scooter, bike, etc. Next you will see it is used in dry cleaners, laundry, for dry cleaning the clothes. And next use, you should know children, that refined petrol is used as a fuel in aeroplane. It is also called aviation fuel. Very important use. Refined petrol is used in aeroplane, so it is called aviation fuel. समझ में आ रहा है ना पेट्रोल का 3 यूज? एक तो लाइट व्हीकल्स को चलाने में, कार, स्कूटर, ये सब. दूसरा यूज ड्राई क्लीनर्स में यूज होता है ड्राई क्लीनिंग के लिए. और तीसरा यूज ये होता है कि एरोप्लेन में ये यूज किया जाता है. और ये कौन सा पेट्रोल होता है? रिफाइंड पेट्रोल. इसको एविएशन फ्यूल भी कहते हैं. तो आपको एग्ज़ाम में कहीं कहीं से भी क्वेश्चन पूछता है, तो आपको बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में क्वेश्चन विल रिमेन वेरी टफ. And questions will be not asked only from exercise. It may be asked from anywhere. Okay, so when I give you the homework at the end, I tell you to revise the chapter thoroughly so that you can answer all the questions. Again, it is very important what is aviation fuel and what is its use. Okay, refined petrol is known as aviation fuel because it is used in aeroplane. Any problem?
No ma'am.
So you are seeing name of the products and their usage. Just now you have read that petrol, diesel, these are the products. Now you will see kerosene is also a product. Kerosene oil you must have seen. It is used for cooking in the house. Domestic use is there. Kerosene oil is used for cooking. It is also used in burning the lantern, जिसका मीनिंग आपने पूछा था अभी. लैंटर्न, जिसको हिंदी में लालटेन कहते हैं, लालटेन में भी यूज होता है. लैंप में यूज होता है. आपने देखा होगा ना लैंप, when there is power cut. Nowadays we do not use lantern, but earlier it was used when there was no facility of inverter or battery, these things. Then people use this lantern for light. So lantern is used, and in lantern kerosene oil is filled. In lamp also kerosene oil is used. Kerosene oil is used for cooking also. These are the usage of kerosene oil. Now after that you have seen petroleum gas. Petroleum gas is liquefied under pressure, and then it is known as LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Petroleum gas is liquefied under high pressure, and then it is called LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, that is used in our houses as a cleaner fuel.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of liquefied?
It is converted into liquid form under high pressure, and then it is filled in the cylinder. The main constituent of the LPG is butane. And can you say, children, if there is any leakage, then why do we have the smell? If there is any leakage anywhere in LPG cylinder or anywhere, pipe anywhere, then we have some foul smell. Why there is smell?
It is because petroleum always is smelling foul.
Because this petroleum is mixed with some smelling agent like ethyl mercaptan. Name of that agent is ethyl mercaptan, and that agent is added so that if there is any leakage we can prevent the accident, because we can know that the gas is there and we can take some precaution. So this is about the petroleum gas, LPG. We get petroleum gas and then it is liquefied under high pressure, and then we get LPG, and LPG is used in our houses. All of you have seen the use of LPG. What is the main constituent of LPG?
For domestic household use.
मेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ एलपीजी में सबसे ज़्यादा क्या रहता है? ब्यूटेन. ठीक है. अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज नेचुरल गैस. यू हैव रेड 2 फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, कोल एंड पेट्रोलियम. Now you have read, children, here you have seen that this natural gas is above petroleum and it is also a fossil fuel. Okay, natural gas is found above the petroleum and it is also a fossil fuel, and it burns easily to produce heat and light energy. It is a cleaner fuel and it burns readily. In India, fields have been discovered at some places like Godavari and Krishna Basin, Tripura and Mumbai High. These are the places where this fossil fuel is found. Gas fields have been located in, underline the name, Godavari, Krishna Basin, Mumbai High and Tripura. These are the places where gas fields have been located.
तो मैम फिर वहाँ पर पेट्रोलियम भी निकलेगा?
हाँ हाँ, पेट्रोलियम भी. और भी जगह है जिसका नाम नहीं है आपके बुक में, जैसे यहाँ देहरादून में भी है, फिर असम में है, अहमदाबाद में है, ये सब में भी है. ठीक है. तो शुड आई रिपीट व्हाट इज़ रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम? मैं बहुत धीरे धीरे स्लो स्पीड में चल रही हूँ ताकि कोई पैसेंजर छूटे नहीं. समझ रहे हैं ना? पैसेंजर छूटने का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या हुआ कि हर बच्चे को समझ में आए. मेरा यही कोशिश है, इसलिए मैं धीरे धीरे स्पीड में चल रही हूँ. रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम मीन्स पेट्रोलियम इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स which are useful for us. These compounds, all compounds are useful for us. So the process by which we separate the compounds of petroleum to their useful form is called refining of petroleum. Second question is, name the products of refining of petroleum with their usage. Which product do we get after refining of petroleum and what are their usage? And in exam, any name will be given, like you will be told to write the use of asphalt. Then if you will memorize, you can answer. What is the use of asphalt? It is used to make the road because it is a black colored sticky substance, and it is also used to coat the underside of the electric pole so that rusting can be prevented. Okay, so all of you will memorize the name of the products with their usage. Thank you, children.